Wala. Okay, yan po yan natin. We're about to begin the program. In a way, nag-document sa ato ang FM station.
Celebration 2020. To begin with our activity this morning until August 4. No, ang atong activity karon magsugod hangtod sa August 4. So for this start, let us welcome the entrance of the club of Karagawan Eagles Club. Music. Welcome, Sibagat Farmers Eagles Club. Welcome, Bayugan Brains Eagles Club. Bayugan Brains Eagles Club is headed by Eagle President Ferdinand B. Valenzuela. Welcome mga kuya. And followed by Esperanza Eagles Club. Esperanza Eagles Club is headed by Eagle President Eagle Ferdinand B. Valenzuela. Okay, murag panulong kayo ang mga kauban kuya. Followed by San Luis Eagles Club. San Luis Eagles Club is headed by our very own President, Kuya Malan Aklan. Next, Talakugan Lake Eagles Club. Talakugan Lake Eagles Club headed by President Kuya Joseph P. Rosas. Wow, daghanang tropa sa Talakugan. And followed by the Prosperidad Daliagan Eagles Club. And of course, the Prosperidad Daliagan Eagles Club is headed by our very own President Kuya Melchor De Lehelio. At the same time, our Vice Governor of the Karagawan Eagles Club. And to be followed by Cave City Eagles Club. Cave City Eagles Club is headed by our very own Kuya President Danny Malyari of Cave City Eagles Club. Wow! Alaman din sila yung banner, lupig kita Okay, so translation and the last but not the least, our club from the house municipality, also the Magdiwata Eagles Club. Magdiwata Eagles Club headed by our very own club president, Charis P. Galdo. Wow, palakpakan naman dyan, mga kuya and ate. So please settle yourself na ato mga mikulagan na ito. Nakapit na ba ang the list o ang mga maneuver, the maneuver sa ato Karagawan Eagles Club, the officers of Calaga Region 1 headed by Kuya Governor Major Nanginsay, and also our Vice Governor for Mindanao, Kuya Manuel Yura, our Vice Governor for Karagawan, Kuya Melchor De Lehelio, our Assemblyman for National, Kuya George Cultura, and alternate Assemblyman for National, Lalo L. Lozada. So we will also acknowledge the Metro FM